So recently I bought this OnePlus 6 from Amazon for around 32,000 rupees for 128 gigs. Am I regretting the decision not to buy OnePlus 6T rather than this? Well, let me give you the reasoning. Let's start with the performance. They both have Snapdragon 845 processor, and I don't think that there will be a major difference in the performance and speeds. So I'm happy with this. I have no regrets that I have bought OnePlus 6 in the speed department. Now, what about the battery? OnePlus 6T has got 3700 mAh battery, which is 400 mAh battery extra as compared to OnePlus 6. Is it worth an upgrade from OnePlus 6 to OnePlus 6T just for its battery? I would say no. We have got the dash charger, which is ultra fast in the charging speeds. So extra 400 mAh battery is not worth upgrading. Plus it has made OnePlus 6T a little thicker. Talking about the thickness, there is basically no change in the design of OnePlus 6T. It is literally the same glass back and same grills and all of that. They have just added a water droplet display and removed the headphone jack. Now I will come back to that headphone jack. Let's first talk about the display. It looks cool, small or not, but the question is, it is worth upgrading from OnePlus 6 to OnePlus 6T just for that water droplet display? I would say no, definitely no. I mean, yeah, it looks cool. There is a small increase of the screen, but I mean, yeah, it's okay. It's just okay. Now about the headphone port, they have removed it just because they needed the space to fit that fingerprint sensor, in-display fingerprint sensor. Now, in my opinion, the in-display fingerprint sensor looks cool, but it is slower than the regular fingerprint sensors. I mean, it's just a novelty thing right now. So there's been a trade-off between headphone port and the in-display fingerprint sensor. Do you think it is correct? Let me know in the poll. Now we have talked about the performance, we have talked about the design, we have talked about the headphone port, we have talked about the in-display fingerprint sensor, and we have talked about the water droplet display. What about the camera? Well, there is literally no change. There are some tweaks in the software department. They have included extra portrait modes, and rest, it is literally the same. So in camera department, you can choose either of these. So the big question is, do I regret buying this OnePlus 6 over OnePlus 6T? Absolutely not. I mean, in 2018 and hopefully in 2019, I needed a headphone port in my phone, and that's what this OnePlus 6 is offering me. And if you're a OnePlus 6 owner, let me know if you are upgrading to OnePlus 6T or not, and just give me a reason in the comment section down below. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to CreatorShed if you haven't, and do follow me on Instagram, Himanshu Sharma YT. Yep, I have changed it from Himanshu_CreatorShed to Himanshu Sharma YT. So yeah, do follow me on that for any queries, any DMs, or just SE. So talk to you in the next one.